Hi everyone. When do I need to check my blind spots and when do I need to check my mirrors during my driving test? Okay, so at the beginning of your test, you're going to be parked up in a car park at the test centre and they're going to ask you to move off. So before you move off, you need to do a full scan looking over both your shoulders. You might have to indicate there's somebody about and then do a final check. During the test, they're going to ask you to pull up somewhere safe on the left 3-4 times. Before you move off, each time you're going to have to do a full 360 check to make sure it's safe. And then when you see a gap, when you're not going to cause anything to slow down, you're going to do a final check before you move off. Really important to do that one before you move off. When you're doing your maneuver, you're going to be doing a lot of 360 checks. First one is before you start reversing. Then you need to keep doing your 360 checks as you're doing maneuver. Your instructor will tell you that when you're doing a maneuver, other road users and pedestrians have right of way. Now, unless you check your blind spots, you're not going to know. So it's important to do those checks as well. You might get the emergency stop on your test as well, where you're going to have to brake really quickly. Now, before you move off, you're going to have to do a full 360 check. When you see a gap to move off, you're going to have to do another check, your blind spot, and also keep checking your mirror just in case something suddenly comes and you might have to stop to give way and let them go first. When do we do the mirror checks? The first one, obviously, before signalling. So center right mirror for indicating right, center left mirror before indicating left. You've stopped in traffic, you're about to move off, show them you're checking your mirrors, and then move up. Just little movements to the head. Don't do it with your eyes. That's not good enough. Right. You're driving along and you're going to pass a parked car. Check your right mirror to make sure it's safe and then move out. You're going to come back in after that parked vehicle. Check the left mirror to make sure it's not moved and then come back in. You're about to overtake a slow moving vehicle. You're going to have to check first to make sure it's safe and then move out, and then check your center mirror to make sure you've passed it, then your left mirror before you indicate to come back. Yeah. When you're slowing down as well, they want you to check your mirror to make sure there's nobody too close that's going to be impacted by your braking, especially if you're approaching a zebra crossing or a pedestrian crossing and you can see somebody waiting and you're going to be start slowing down your speed. Yeah. And on a dual carriageway, just keep checking your mirrors every now and then to make sure no one's too close. You've got a good idea of where cars are around you. Yeah. Hopefully this will help you to prevent you from getting any minors or even a serious during your test. Any more information, just let me know and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you.